Local news for Tuesday, the 21st of April. Wairarapa bus drivers are thanking members of the community who have been making them feel appreciated during the COVID-19 Alert Level 4 lockdown. Bus operator Transit, who runs services on behalf of Medlink, has been continuing to deliver essential public transport services during the lockdown. The company's drivers are noticing a groundswell of positivity. The Greens are highlighting faster intercity rail improvements as the type of climate-friendly job-creating project that could be prioritised for post-COVID-19 economic stimulus investment. Over time, this would see fast electric trains for passenger and freight connecting places like Masterton and Wellington. And in response to the economic and social impact of COVID-19, Trust House has put a freeze on planned rent increases with additional support for tenants. With 483 properties in Wairarapa and Tararua, Mr Pollard says the organisation is very conscious a number of their tenants will be doing it really tough. And Masterton Food Bank coordinator Lynn Tankersley says an additional $20,000 charitable donation from Trust House couldn't have come at a better time. The food bank is currently experiencing record demand, with many families struggling at the moment. For local news, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.